Hi everyone, welcome back to Kingdom Moving. I have a cold, so my voice will be going in and out, but I'm going to get this word out because God wants you to have it. So, Nehemiah 4, the wall of God. Hear God speak. Listen up. When the enemy heard that we were rebuilding a wall, he exploded in anger. What are these miserable believers doing? Do they think they can get everything back to normal overnight? Make building stones out of make believe? The cosigners, they jumped right in and said, that's right. What do they think they're building and why? If a fox climbed that wall, it will fall to pieces under his weight. That's what the enemy said. Believers, your wall is weak. That's what they believe. Nehemiah prayed, oh, listen to us, dear God. We're so despised. Boomerang their ridicule on their heads. Have their enemies cart them off as war trophies to a land of no return. Don't forgive their iniquities. Don't wipe away their sins. They've insulted the builders. We kept at it, repairing and rebuilding the wall. The whole wall was soon joined together and halfway to its intended height because the people had heart for the work. They had the heart for the Lord. They knew God. They was building it just like he told them to. When they heard the walls of Jericho were going so well that the breaks in the wall were being fixed, they were absolutely furious. So they created trouble as they could. They didn't want that. God was healing you up. He was healing you up. He said, stay on the wall. Okay? We countered with prayer to our God and set round the clock guards against him. But soon word was going around in Judah. The builders are pooped. The rubbish piles up, weaving over our heads. We can't build this wall. See, the enemy let you doubt. Doubt creeped in. Now you don't realize we can't build this wall. God says stay on the wall. Pray. Stay on the wall. And all this time, the enemies were saying they won't know what hit them. Before they know it, we'll be at their throats, killing them right and left. That will put a stop to that work. They won't be working on that wall no more. Not when we kill them. That's what the enemy got for you. God said you better pray. You better stay on that wall. You better call on them. So I stationed armed guards at the most vulnerable place of the wall and assigned people by families with their sword, lance, and bows. Then I spoke. Don't be afraid of them. Put your minds on God, the great and awesome, and then fight for your brothers, your sons, your daughters, your wives, your homes. Fight. You got to put the armor of God on to fight. That's how you fight. You got to fight in the spirit. Our enemies learned that we knew all about their plans, and God had frustrated it. And we went back to the wall to work. Each of the builders had a sword strapped to his side. As he worked, I kept a trumpeter at my side to sound the alert. There's a lot of working going on, and we are spread out all along the wall, separated from each other. When the trumpet call, join us there. Our God will fight for us. You hear that trumpet? You better stand up. Because God gonna fight for you. He gonna justify you. He gonna justify you. So keep working. From first light until the stars come out. Hold on. God is at work. Guards by night and workmen by day. Stay on the wall. We all slept in our clothes. I, my brother, my workmen, and the guards backing me up. Each one kept his spear in his hand, even when getting water. Don't let your guard down. The enemy gonna come get you. God says stay on the wall. Don't give up. Pray, my children. Stay on the wall. This is God's season now. What you gonna do? He wanna know what you gonna do. We are rebuilding God's wall right now. We are rebuilding it. We all spread out. But when you hear that trumpet, you better get in line and you better get on that wall. And you better pray like you know God. Because God know you. Be at peace.